Hi, I'm Lindsay Mazinski and I'd like to share my experience using Evernote with you. Evernote is a website that is designed for organizing and note-taking. Users create notes, which can take several forms. There is also an app that can be downloaded on iPhone and Android devices. Notes and notebooks can be synced across devices such as a computer and a phone. There is a free version which allows you to sync across two devices and allows for 60 megabytes of uploads each month. You can also choose to upgrade to paid plans which allow for more devices to be synced and for more uploads per month. I've been curious about truly implementing blended learning in my class rather than just throwing work up on Schoology so that I can say I use technology. I'd also like to use blended learning in Schoology to create more personalized learning paths for my students. I was looking for resources to give me information about how to do this. In order to keep all my resources together and organized, I used Evernote. I'd like to show you how easy Evernote is to use. I've already searched for Civil War blended learning lessons, so now I'm going to save one to my social studies notebook. I've already downloaded the extension, so I have a button up here and all I need to do is click it. And I have a choice of how I want to save. I can choose which notebook I have that I want to save to, and I can also add tags. So I'm going to add history, I'm going to add Civil War, and then I'm going to click save. And when I go into my Evernote, you can see it shows up once I refresh the page. Now, how this works on your phone is that if this is a website I'm interested in saving from my phone, I'll click down here on the bookmark or saving icon, and this window comes up, and I'll swipe the center row all the way over until I see the Evernote app. And once I click that, I have the same options. I can choose the notebook and I can select the tags. Now, I've also got things organized into notebooks. I have 2 notebooks here currently, and I can share these with people by clicking on this icon. So I can type in email addresses, I can connect with my Google contacts, I can search for people in an organization, and I can share the notebook in several ways. I can allow people to edit and invite, I can allow them to view, I can allow them just to edit and not invite other people to see my notebooks. So Evernote is pretty useful because you can share notebooks, and this is actually useful to teachers in such a way that they can create resources and share binders with each other instead of having a hard copy of a binder. Students can use it to create binders or portfolios of classworks. It could also be used by a teacher to share work with students when they're absent. So overall, I'd really recommend Evernote as a new resource for teachers to use. Please feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to learn more about using Evernote or if you have any questions. Thanks.